Hey guys, introducing to you the Digital Art Creation membership. By signing up to this membership, get access to premium tutorials and watch extended versions of slower speed art videos all in YouTube. As a member, you will get priority replies, help and support from the comment section. The tutorials will cover majority of Adobe applications which will guide beginners to advanced users. The membership will give you a comprehensive guide to understand design applications, giving you step-by-step guide to create extensive designs for advanced users. Get more tips and tricks to improve your designs. There's even more. With the membership, get access to download the source files of the tutorials. In addition, giving you exclusive UI UX design tutorials, longer versions of speed art videos where you can watch and understand the tools I have used, give you special discounts and offers when you purchase any digital art creation merchandise. So, who can be a member? Beginners who are stepping into the industry can get a comprehensive guide to learn and kickstart your pathway. Advanced users can join and get tips and tricks to improvise and improve your artworks. And my viewers who like my channel and would want to support me to make more content. Join the membership for just $4.99 only. Subscribe and show your support.